in this video, I'm going to go over binomial expansion. All right, let's look at the first example. We have x plus 3 squared. What does that actually mean? It means that you're multiplying x plus 3 to itself 2 times because the exponent is a 2. So I'm going to actually multiply them. I can use FOIL or double distribution. So I'm multiplying the first x times the first x, and x times x gives me x squared. Then I'm going to multiply that same first x, but now with the 3 in the second set of parentheses. And so x times 3 will give me 3x. Now I'm going to multiply the 3 times everything in the second parentheses. So 3 times x gives me 3x. And then 3 times 3 gives me 9. Now I'm just going to combine like terms, which will always be the 2 terms in the middle. 3 plus 3 gives me, or 3x plus 3x gives me 6x. And then I'll bring down my x squared that's in front. I'll put a plus sign since the 6 is positive, and my plus 9 at the end. All right, let's look at this next example. It says x minus 5 squared. I'll set it up the same way. X minus 5 times x minus 5. So the first thing I'm going to do is multiply that first x times everything in the second parentheses. X times x gives me x squared. X times negative 5 gives me negative 5x. Now I'm going to multiply the second term, which is the negative 5 times everything in the second parentheses. So it'll be negative 5 times x, which is negative 5x. Negative 5 times negative 5 is positive 25. And then I will combine my like terms, which will always be the 2 terms in the middle. And negative 5 minus 5 gives me negative 10x. And then I'll just bring down my x squared in front and my plus 25 at the end. And let's look at this last example, just so you know it's not always going to be a linear binomial. I will write 3x plus 1 twice because it is 3x plus 1 squared. And I'll be multiplying that first 3x times everything in the second parentheses. 3x times 3x gives me 9x squared. 3x times 1 gives me 3x. And then now I'm going to multiply the plus 1 times everything in the second parentheses. 1 times 3x gives me 3x. And 1 times 1 is 1. And then you're going to combine like terms, which are the 2 terms in the middle, to give you 6x. And not 6x squared. Bring down your plus 1 and your 9x squared in front. And I'll put a plus sign because my 6 is positive. And that's it.